Hello traders, I hope guys you are having a good day today, and I just finished my London morning session. Technically I finished my day. We had an amazing volatility at the London morning session and most of my traders bank amazing profit guys, 100 plus pips just in the Blessing Friday. Just before the non-farm payroll we managed beautiful pips today. And let me share with you how I did analysis this morning and help my traders to squeeze amazing profit. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my analysis review in the future, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair: EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. If you look at the EURUSD and if you look at the 4-hour chart, as you can see here in my previous analysis on yesterday, we had this beautiful short trade. Once the price developed a false breakout, we had amazing trade guys here. So we were expecting this breakout today, which we have taken this short trade here in intraday, bank beautiful pips. As soon as the price reversed, explain to my trader, just keep taking a long trade here, and we have taken it. So let's see this afternoon if the news is good or bad for dollar. We'll find out, but technically overall expected a good for the dollar. We'll see how that's gonna go, but we already managed amazing beautiful pips, so we are done technically. So let me share with you how I analyze market this morning on EURUSD. And if you look at this morning analysis, you can see here as mentioned that we were looking this breakout, as you can see here at this level in 4-hour, this support. So we have this breakout, and as soon as the price hit the profit target, bank beautiful pips. As you can see here, that was the analysis just before London Open. I analyzed market live alongside with my other traders, so that was the analysis. That was a pretty straightforward breakout. As you can see here, price nicely broken, beautiful. As soon as the price hit to the previous yesterday low, that's what explained my trader it's time to enjoy some profit, and let's see what sort of price action is going to develop. And afterwards, as you can see here, price nicely reversed, but I said to guys, just wait, let's see, because you can see here what sort of price action we have it. You can see here the price broken this recent high and retest, that give us the confirmation. But as I said to my trader, we have a bias is short. Just look here, let's see if the price is going to respect and develop a third touch at this level. Then we're taking a long trade here. Otherwise, if the price gonna break, then taking a short trade here. So exactly the price respected and develop a third touch. Previously, you can see here based on this analysis, you can see 1, 2, third touch at the support level. Momentum was bullish, and we have 4-hour rejection, and that was a beautiful pullback long trade here. As always, after the breakout, explained to keep taking a pullback. So we have one pullback, second pullback, and a third pullback. And as soon as the price hit to the major resistance level, and that's what I explained to my trader, guys, it's time to enjoy some profit, and let's wait for the New York session. You can see guys, we had such an amazing trade in EURUSD this morning. And let me share with you the pound dollar. We also had a beautiful trade in pound dollar. And if you look at the 4-hour chart yesterday, if you have seen my yesterday analysis review, we were short, bank amazing profit all this journey. And so technically we were expecting here another pullback at this level. That's what we were expecting. But this morning we have explained if the price is going to break the previous low. So we're expecting here another short trade here. So just before London Open, we had this beautiful breakout short trade here. And once the price, because we were expecting as traders, if the price failed to break this level, then I'm expecting a reversal at this level. So we also had a short trade here. We also had a long trade here. And let me share with you how I analyze market in intraday. Such a blessing day today, guys. We had it on Blessing Friday. So you can see here, this was the analysis. You can see London time 7:41 just before London Open, as we were looking this breakout. As you can see here, price nicely broken and beautiful price. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, that's what I explained to my trader, guys, it's time to enjoy some profit. Let's wait for another price action. So after banking some profit, you can see here I did another analysis. That's what we're expecting here. So I said to my trader, we are looking technically short trade here, but let's see if the price is going to break. We have you can see here price nicely broken previous recent high, beautiful long trade here. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, and we have a bank beautiful pips on pound dollar after banking some profit. As always, I said to my trader, look for another pattern, which is you can see here. Technically, we're also looking at pullback, but we're also expecting price might gonna continue. So I said to guys, safest trade, look for if the price is going to break this symmetric triangle pattern. More likely we were expecting a long because the momentum was developed bullish. So you can see here beautiful breakout as soon as the price hit to the previous level. At this level, that's what explained to my trader it's time to enjoy some profit. So you can see here pound dollar, the best trade we had, that was a beautiful breakout, beautiful short trade this morning. We also had a counter trade. As I said to you guys, we are an intraday trader. As long as we have valid technical entry, we also consider taking a counter trade here. We'll see at the New York session how the market is going to react, but what I can see here in pound dollar, we can see here this pattern is developed previously. We have this false breakout, and we'll see at the after the non-farm payroll how the market is going to react. But we are already done for the day, guys. And per dollar CAD, we had a beautiful long trade this morning. We also had a short trade and counter short trade. If you look at the 4 hour yesterday, as mentioned in my yesterday analysis, we had a beautiful long trade here, and looks like the price is respecting it. And let's see if the price is going to break this inside the Bollinger Band or the support level. Then I'm expecting a continuation. Otherwise, there's still possibility of long. So you can see here, let the market break out this one at the non-farm payroll. All right, let me share with you how I entries and exit in intraday on dollar CAD. That was a beautiful trade, guys. Let me share with you. And okay, so this morning, if you look at here, we have this breakout trade here. That was a pretty straightforward symmetric triangle pattern. Our bias was long, momentum was bullish, so we were expecting a breakout long trade here. Bank beautiful pips. As soon as the price hit to the previous high at the 4 hour, we banked few pps, and afterwards let's market would develop another pattern. Price came back impulsively. Every time when the price come back impulsively, we look at the price structure, look at here what's happening here. Price broken and could not maintain above this level, so price broken and retest, give us the confirmation at this level. That's the safest way to look for this breakout, which price nicely broken. We had an impulsive move. As soon as the price hit to the 200 EMA, bank few pps, and say guys, as always after the breakout, because the price broke on this level and expecting another pullback, we have another beautiful pullback short trade here and bank another beautiful pips. You can see guys, we had such an amazing day, beginning of the day, bank amazing profit. The best trade I have it, that was the euro yen, beautiful euro yen and euro USD. Let me explain to you the euro yen. We had a beautiful trade this morning, and if you look at the 4 hour, we have this breakout this morning, and I was expecting price might gonna break this level, and we had a beautiful short trade here. And once we bank some profit, price respected support, so we have also counter long trade here, and we have taken all this pullback until the price hit to this level. So we had amazing trade. Let me share with you the today analysis. That was a beautiful trade, guys. We had it, amazing trade, amazing, beautiful. Okay, so this morning, as you can see here in 4 hour, this is the breakout we were looking here. In intraday, the price broke on this level. After the breakout pullback, as mentioned in the analysis, we have this pullback, beautiful. As soon as the price hit to the support level, bank amazing profit. You can see here, beautiful pips. Once we bank some profit, price was at the major support. We're expecting a sort of reversal, so price develop another pattern. That's what I explained to my trader. Just wait for the entry. As you can see here, the price developed sideways market, and explain to my trader, look here, sort of like we can call it price sort of like developing it, a head and shoulder pattern, inverted, you can see here, and this level. And safest way for look with this breakout, if the price is going to break, we have 4 hour rejection, so just keep taking a pullback. So you can see here, that was the beautiful breakout, first target hit. We have another pullback. If you look at here, bull flag pattern, explained to my trader, based on the momentum, another pullback. We have another pullback, beautiful. As soon as the price hit this level, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. You can see guys how we analyze market in 4 hour, how we refine entries and exit with the valid technical entries in intraday, bank both trendy trend opportunities and as well as counter opportunities through intraday. All right guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis, As always mentioned to you guys, you should be watching those analyses in real time and banking profit in real time. Or if you are struggling in forex trading, this is the platform where you can develop your trading skill in real time through live intraday analysis with the live audio commentary support. And once you develop your trading skill, I can also help you to get funded from firms. If you are interested how I coach and train my trader every single day, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. So most welcome guys, join my fast growing trader community. And thank you for watching this video. I'll see if I can manage to upload afternoon session analysis. Otherwise guys, have a nice weekend and I'll see you next time. Stay blessed until next time. All the best. Bye bye.